Hello guys! Good morning! Again, this is your Ate Bebski, your kabitanyang lakotsera. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako today sa ating paggala sa Antwerp, Belgium. And dito, madadaanan natin ang Belgium border. The border between Netherlands and Belgium. Welcome to Belgium! By the way guys, I'd like to say thank you for watching my video, for clicking the like and subscribe button, and for writing down your comments. Thank you so much. I promise you guys that I will upload more nice video. So, today, ang gala natin is Antwerp City, Belgium. To be exact, in my location, I am here in Grote-Markt. Grote-Markt is a town square situated in the heart of the old city square. It is only walking distance from the Scheldt River. Dito sa Grote-Markt, ang makikita natin ay ang mga nakakamanghang mga disenyo ng mga bulwagan na mula pa noong 16th century. This is the Bravo Fountain. It is located at the center of the Grote-Markt, right in front of the town city hall. Silvius Bravo was a Roman mythical soldier who was said to have killed a giant named Drone Antigone. The giant killed the boatmen passing over the Scheldt River if they refused to pay toll. Silvius Bravo doesn't like it, so he killed the giant Drone Antigone by cutting his hand and throw it over the Scheldt River. We all know that Filipinos are everywhere. Wherever country you may go, you will see our kabayans. Alam niyo ba kung gaano kasaya yung feeling na nasa ibang bansa ka, na makakakita ka ng tao na hindi mo naman inaasahan na mamimit mo sa bansa na to. So, it feels like she's really a family to you. Ha ha ha! What a small world! Joke. Finally, in my almost 3 months stay here in Europe, I met a fellow Filipina, and she's really a friend to me. We're gonna make more chika later, that's for sure. But this time, we're gonna enjoy this place. I'm with Jo.
Live ka?
Hindi. Record ka na. Send ko kay Annalyn. Jo, nasan tayo naligaw? Nakapaggaan ko lang. Hindi ko naman nakalaing makikita ko siya.
Meet halfway on the other side of the world.
Oo. Nandito kami sa bansa kung saan masarap ang tsokolate. Belgium. Jo. Antwerp Central Station. Here in Belgium, they speak 3 different languages, which is Dutch, English, and French. Antwerp is the Europe's diamond capital. And aside from that, they are also famous in fashion designs. So, this is the outside view of the Antwerp Central Station. The stone-clad terminus buildings with a vast dome above the waiting room hall were designed by Louis de la Senserie. It's really amazing that up to now, they still preserve the beauty of the buildings. And maybe if there's a renovation, they renovate it, but they don't change the design. So let's go guys, let's check what we can see inside. Wow, nice! It looks like a palace. Sometimes in this lobby, there is a performance here like band and musical and dance flash mob. So this is the Antwerp Central Terminal train station. This station offers numerous services like domestic and international. So from here in Antwerp, just one train away, then you can go to Italy, Netherlands, and Paris. So guys, gabi na pala. So it's time to separate ways. Joan Bentulan and I, we have to go back home, and she's going to Brussels because she's living there, and I'm going back to Netherlands. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe it or hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next upload video. So once again, I am your Ate Bebski, your Kapitenyang Lakwachera. Thank you!